At first glance, art can seem like just a pretty picture, lacking any deeper meaning beyond that initial beauty.
But for me, it's more than that.
It's an expression of our everyday emotions, some of which, having been fueled by painful memories, magnify our creativity tenfold.
It's the subtle heat that's felt in the fingertips as they intertwine with another's. The calm yet powerful desire for connection that's felt in the presence of a partner.
The feeling of freedom, spending a day carefree with your loved ones. It's the kind of feeling that you wish would never end.
Art is the self-reflection that all creators do, helping you discover parts of yourself you never knew were there. But as for me, it's my passion.